Hey guys, welcome back to Trendy Gadget. Today, we'll talk about what to expect from the AMD GPU RX6800 and 6900. Let's head into it. The RX6800. In every game and every frame, the AMD Radeon RX6800 series graphics cards power a new generation of competitive and 4K gaming with vivid visuals and elevated experiences. Ultra-high frame rates and series 4K gameplay are delivered by AMD Radeon RX6800 series graphics cards. Get the ultimate gaming experience with powerful new computing units, advanced AMD Infinity Cache, and up to 16GB of dedicated GDDR6 memory. And when paired with an AMD Ryzen 5000 series desktop processor, new levels of gaming performance are provided by AMD Smart Access Memory technology.
And once we add the Smart Access Memory technology, gamers can even get higher frames per second when pairing Radeon 6000 GPUs.
With immersive gaming technologies and support for DirectX 12 Ultimate, AMD Radeon RX6800 series GPUs pull you into the action with DirectX Ray Tracing or DXR, Variable Rate Shading or VRS, and AMD Fidelity FX features, optimized for the AMD RDNA 2 architecture. Experience gaming with realistic lighting, shadows, and reflections along with rich detail. Ultimate responsiveness and smooth gaming are upgraded with AMD Radeon Anti-Lag and AMD Radeon Boost low latency gaming technology. 1. To propel your gaming experience with the latest HDMI 2.1 VRR technology, USB-C enabled VR headsets, or more than 1250 gaming displays enabled by AMD FreeSync technology. The foundation of the next generation gaming PCs and consoles is the AMD RDNA 2 architecture. It's the bedrock of the upcoming PC gaming graphics and cloud gaming revolution. Like no other graphics architecture before, AMD RDNA 2 races and unifies visual effects and gameplays across multi-gaming platforms. Looking back at the RX6900 XT, the AMD Radeon RX6900 XT is officially the new Halo product from AMD, surpassing the Radeon RX6800 XT and RX6800 by offering the 80 compute unit, fully enabled Navi 21 GPU. The latest generation GPUs are on top of our hierarchy of GPU benchmarks and rank as some of the best graphic cards currently available. If you use the term available loosely, the 6900 XT is also the most expensive AMD graphics card that we have seen in quite some time. The Radeon Pro Duo of 2016, a very limited quantity dual GPU card, was the last time AMD sold a GPU priced at $1,000 or more. With the RX6800 XT taking on the RTX 3080, the objective is clear. AMD wants to give the GeForce RTX 3090 competitive performance while undercutting the price of Nvidia by $500.
I'm so excited to share with you for the very first time the AMD Radeon RX 6900 XT.
That's all good and good, but when comparing the GeForce RTX 3080 and 3090 to the Radeon RX 6800 XT and 6900 XT, there are a couple of issues. First, the RTX 3090 more than doubled the 3080's VRAM. It also has a broader bus with memory and around 20% more shader cores. Finally, in professional workloads, it increased the power target by 10% and often delivered superior performance. The RX 6900 XT, by contrast, has 10% more shader cores than the 6800 XT. And that's it. Let's get to the point directly. The RX 6900 XT, on paper, doesn't look like a good deal. The RTX 3090 is not said to be a better deal for gaming purposes, but at least it provides some tangible advantages over the RTX 3080. Of course, right now, all of this is somewhat academic, as supplies of graphics cards from the latest generation have proven woefully inadequate. If you can find an RX 6900 XT for $999 in stock, you've got it, but we expect it to sell out as quickly as its lesser siblings. In fact, because we expect RX 6900 XT supplies to be even more limited, considering that a fully enabled Navi 21 chip is required. We doubt that the chip quality yields will be higher than the partially disabled chips in the 6800 XT, which were not nearly enough to satisfy demand. The RX 6900 XT has the full 80 CUs and 5120 shader cores offered by the Navi 21 GPU, and the remaining specs are the same as the RX6800 XT, including memory speed and TDP, which is not to say that there are no silicon differences. There's nothing new about the binning and sorting chips from silicon wafers, but the best chips often come closer to the wafer center where there are fewer defects, since the 6900 XT requires a fully functioning Navi 21 chip. Other features, such as power and voltage requirements, are almost guaranteed to be better as well. In practice, how much does that matter? The silicon lottery can get you an additional few percent if you're hoping to overclock and reach a maximum performance, considering that the 6900 XT already costs 50% more than the 6800 XT. However, for a likely minor improvement in overall performance, that's a big price jump. What to expect from the RX6900? An RX6900 isn't officially announced yet, but rumors suggest it might be coming soon, and it will be an exciting addition to the RX6800, RX6800 XT, and RX6900 XT. We can expect its benchmarks to be better than those of the RX6900 XT, which would make it a serious competition for Nvidia's RTX 3000 series. If any new info are coming, we'll make sure to keep you informed on the Trendy Gadget channel. What do you think about the RX6800? And do you think we'll see an RX6900? Let us know in the comment section. This brings us to the end of our video. I hope you enjoyed it. Hit like if you did, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel so that you don't miss any of our videos in the future. Also, watch the 2 videos that are on your screen because I'm sure you'll love them. With that, I'll see you in the next video.